Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Wayne. I want to show you Toothbrush. Okay, so I got this toothbrush for my son at Christmas time, and he used the heck out of it. It's got a timer. You do it set up to go 30 seconds on each quadrant of teeth, and it makes an odd vibration. And when you do the whole thing, it goes to 2 minutes total. This ring here lights up and makes kind of musical sound or something. But for kids, that's something that makes a difference to them. Kind of a reward thing. So and it's got some kind of different mode thing here. I'm not using it enough to know about all that, but the boy could tell you. This is the Oral-B IO, and we like it real well. Stays charged for a long time. The heads are pretty long lasting. That's his second one. He's got another one that came with it. And here's the charging stand right here. And it comes with a travel pack. And within that, there's a place for your brushes. So that's a cool thing. It's all a lot of good stuff. But Oral-B, been around forever, doing teeth forever. We can trust them, and I know for a fact it's a good item right here. So go ahead and pick it up. They're always having good deals on them. So don't wait. Thanks. Bye now.